Okay, October, November 2005. Question 11. I'm going to look at this part. That's a function g. State the largest value of k for each g has an inverse. Let's look at the graph of g. So, if we start with a function y equals 2x minus 3, then the graph is somehow like this, minus 3. The x-intercept is 3 over 2. Okay, this is y equals 2x minus 3. Now, absolute value of 2x minus 3. It stays 2x minus 3 if it's positive and becomes minus brackets 2x minus 3 if it's negative. So the yellow one is the absolute value of 2x minus 3. Now, we're going to get a new one, which is absolute value of 2x minus 3 minus 4, which means moving the yellow 4 units down, so by the vector 0 minus 4. Translation 4 units down. Okay, let's go next slide. So the graph is going to be remember that was absolute value of 2x minus 3. That's 0.1, 0.5. Yes. Moved 4 units down. So we'll get something like this. Yeah, here being the point minus negative 4. Okay. Now, the domain given is x is between negative 2 and k. Find the largest values of k for which the function has an inverse on this domain. So, negative 2 is somewhere here. Okay, so this is our function, right? Up to here, if I continue to the right, then it's not a one-to-one function anymore. Assume that we continue with the function here, then for this value of y, you can find two values of x. So c is not a one-to-one function anymore. So in order for it to be a one-to-one function, I need to stop here. Therefore, the largest possible domain is x between minus 2 and 1.5 in order for it to be a one-to-one function and therefore having an inverse. Now, I know that on this domain the function has an inverse and I need to find the inverse. But for x between minus 2 and 1.5, remember that my y was negative 2x minus 3 minus 4. Yeah, because this branch here, yes, came for the graph of y was 2x minus 3 reflected. Remember, this was y equals 2x minus 3 reflected on the x-axis. So minus 2x minus 3 minus 4. Therefore, the yellow graph is y equals negative 2x minus 1. And now we can find g of x, which is the inverse, which I assume is not so difficult.